In this video, I'll show you 3 methods for earning money fast in the Roblox game Bloxburg. We'll show you the benefits of working, boosting your mood, working with friends, and gardening. The best method for earning money fast in Bloxburg is to work. There are currently 11 jobs in Bloxburg: cashier, pizza delivery, fisherman, hairdresser, janitor, mechanic, pizza maker, woodcutter, seller, stocker, and miner. The most popular job to make money is the pizza delivery job, since it earns the most money. It's recommended to work the same job over an extended period of time, since you'll level up and earn more money over time at that one job. Make sure that your mood is high when working, as this will earn you the more money. You can boost your mood by paying with block books, or by doing other activities other than working in the game to boost your mood. To boost all mood levels at once without paying, you can set up a mood station at your home, a room with multiple items which are designed to boost your mood quickly, such as a treadmill, bath, TV, and coffee machine. Another way to earn money while working is by playing with friends. If your friends are nearby, you'll earn more money while you work and your mood will drain slower. You can get bonus earnings if you own the excellent Employee Game Pass, which can be obtained for 300 Robux through the game's store. Another way to make money is through gardening. You can buy and plant crops and trees which can later be harvested for more money. This can take a few hours and you need to make sure that they are regularly being watered. You can do this by planting a sprinkler nearby. Once crops and trees are ready, you can click them and select Sell to earn money. Some good items to plant for gardening are watermelons, apple trees, orange trees, and lemon trees because they're more profitable. Gardening can be expensive to start, but it's a great way to make money if you can invest in what you're doing and take care of your plants. Beware that as you place more gardening items, the amount you'll get back from selling them decreases. However, it's still worth doing.